Welcome to this meditation for bathing in thank you. And a hearty thank you for spending your valuable time with me today. Wherever you are, just be with thank you. Say it in your mind and allow any sensations in response to saying the word to trickle through your body. Be in the moment with yourself and totally aware of you sitting or standing. Breathing in and breathing out. Thank you. Such a great word. Thank you. Just repeat it in your mind calmly, and it's as though you're feeling the word. Did you know that thankful energy is of a high vibration? So you want to make sure that you are grounded. This ensures that the energy becomes anchored in your body, so that restoration, be that physical, emotional, or energetically, can take place. Here goes. Let's get grounded in thank you. Be fully aware of yourself in your environment again. And you are so focused on your body that random thoughts are unable to take hold. The only thought and word is thank you. And how good you feel in your body, within your environment. There doesn't have to be a reason for feeling good. Just feel good in the high vibration of thank you. You are also free in your mind to be here with thankfulness. And you're not out there either, but here present to your body, sitting or standing. Thank you. Can you be totally present to your body? Just notice, no pressure here. Breathing in and breathing out. Thank you. Now, these next 3 awareness steps really help you to be grounded. Firstly, notice your feet firmly planted on the ground. Or if you are seated on a cushion, be aware of where the contact points are with your buttocks, thighs, and sides of your feet. Thank you. Secondly, take your breath with awareness downwards, and as you do, your belly expands, and in its own timing, allow your breath to leave your body. Your belly contracts. Excellent. Do that for the next few breaths. How good does it feel to stop and breathe and be aware of now? With your next breath in, also be aware of your feet again. And thirdly, notice a weightiness through the lower half of your body. Great job! Now that's how you need to be to harness the fab energy of thank you. Breathing in and breathing out. Thank you. Quietly and inwardly now in your own timing, repeat the word thank you to yourself. Staying grounded and feeling the sensations that are generated. And it is as if your body soaks up the vibes just like a sponge. And a dry sponge expands when it is wet. Allow yourself to expand energetically, but not too much. Just enough to feel some spaciousness and expansiveness. Arm's length around you, and above and below you. Don't worry if that is too much information. You can keep it simple by just focusing on your physical body and the wonderful sensations bathing you and being absorbed all the way down to your bones and within your bones, deeper and deeper. You can also direct the good feeling vibes into your heart too. Your heart, bless your heart, it does carry wounds. And this high vibration energy can help your heart to restore itself to its unconditional loving place. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Go ahead now in your own time, repeating the word thank you. You will hear a chime when I am about to speak again. Breathing in long and deep, and breathing out. Thank you. breathing in and breathing out, aware of your body. Breathing in and breathing out. Feet on the ground or aware of your contact points. Breathing in and breathing out. Here, present, feeling alive and vital. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Take one last big deep breath in and allow it to leave your body in its own timing. Thank you. If you would like to continue to meditate, there is a link on your screen to a sacral chakra meditation. Blessings galore, and I look forward to being the voice in your meditation tomorrow.